What if you could build an app without writing any code? Let's dive into phase 1 of this project.
The challenge was clear. Build a Python to-do app, but with a major twist.
And here's what came out of it: a completely working command line app for your to-do list.
First off, you can add new tasks. Simple enough. Just give it a title and description.
Naturally, you can view all your tasks, and you'll see their status right there.
Made a mistake? No problem. You can update any task just by using its ID.
And of course, you can mark tasks as complete, or even mark them incomplete again.
Finally, once a task is totally done, you can just delete it from the list.
And this is all in memory, no database. So how on earth was this actually built?
Okay, now for the really cool part. This was all built using a spec-driven workflow.
It's a 3-step process. First you specify, then you plan, and then you implement.
This whole idea is called spec-driven development. Humans write the rules, the machine writes the code.
And get this, not a single line of the core logic was touched by a human.
But if the code any good, well, let's look at the proof, the technical quality.
It's built on modern Python, has a clean structure, handles errors, and it's fully testable.
I mean, just look at that file structure. Super clean separation of code and tests.
And speaking of tests, check it out. Everything passes. The app is completely validated.
So what's the verdict? Phase 1 is definitely complete. No question about it.
All 5 core features are there: add, view, update, delete, and mark complete. All done.
Every single requirement for this phase was met. This project is officially ready to move on.
It really makes you wonder, right? Is this disciplined approach the future of building software?